So you think cybersecurity is just some guy in a hoodie typing hacker in a dark room? Cool. You just described every bad Hollywood hacker scene ever. But what if I told you cybersecurity is the reason your bank account still exists? Your DMs aren't public, and your grandma hasn't accidentally joined the dark web. Yet. The internet is basically a digital Wild West where every second over 100,000 hacking attempts happen worldwide. And no, your strong password isn't safe if it's password 123, because hackers have entire armies of bots trying millions of passwords every second. Cybersecurity is like a digital immune system. It's the tech, tactics, and rules we use to protect data, devices, and networks from people trying to break in. Think of it as a multi-layered fortress. Its three core goals are confidentiality, keeping secrets secret, like your credit card details or private messages; integrity, making sure no one changes your files to say, "I love pineapple pizza," unless you actually do; and availability, ensuring that systems stay online and working instead of crashing or being locked down during a cyber attack. Now, what are you up against? Phishing attacks, where hackers pretend to be trusted brands and trick you into handing over sensitive info. Malware, which is like digital bedbugs that infest your devices, spying or wrecking everything. Ransomware, where hackers kidnap your files and demand Bitcoin to give them back. That's like a digital hostage situation. And DDoS attacks, where bot armies flood websites with traffic until they collapse, kind of like a massive internet traffic jam. How do the good guys fight back? Firewalls act like digital bouncers, screening who gets in and who stays out. Antivirus software is like a digital flu shot, protecting your system from known threats. Encryption scrambles your data into unreadable gibberish, so even if hackers steal it, they can't understand a thing without the key. And two-factor authentication, because relying on just a password is like locking your door but leaving the key under the mat. So, who does all this? Cybersecurity pros, the digital ghostbusters of the internet. From ethical hackers who break systems on purpose to find weaknesses, to blue team defenders who build shields and monitor for threats. These are the people keeping the digital world turning safely. Next time you hear cybersecurity, don't just picture a guy in a hoodie yelling, "I'm in." Picture a high-stakes battlefield where every second counts, and the people fighting the invisible war to keep your data, money, and privacy safe. Because in the world of ones and zeros, you're either secure or you're hacked. There is no in between.